Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the Ma brand. This is their leak-free, acid-resistant spray heads. This is a 4-pack that you get. They're durable industrial sprayer for acid-based products like wheel cleaners, other auto care detailing products, and are heavy-duty, low-fatigue trigger and adjustable spray nozzle with a 9¼ inch dip tube with a filter at the base. Now you register right here, they have a card included, and it'll activate your lifetime warranty. So their commercial grade trigger is acid resistant, and it seems like it's heavier duty, and they mention that. It has a lifetime money back guarantee. The company will stand by their product, and if you look at the reviews on Amazon, it looks like they do stand by that, and they will replace it if it has a problem. This is a must for auto detailing, because they're high quality, and they will work with a lot of the acid solutions like you might use to clean your tire rims or clean your engine bay. So it's a very reasonable price for 4 of them, and they seem to be really durable. So let's take a look at them. I'm going to change the camera. I'm going to do a close-up here. So let's take a closer look at this. The spray nozzle itself has a extra long handle. The length of any handle from the fulcrum point is going to allow you to multiply the force on the piston right here. So by having it long like that, it takes very little energy. And if you ever use traditional sprayers, your hand will get totally fatigued. That's a normal thing. It's like you're doing a calisthenics on your muscles. So that's nice. So they've almost doubled the length of the handle so that you're not going to get fatigued. And it's all plastic that is not sensitive to acids. And you can see it's got a really high gloss to the plastic on there if you look. That's a sign that it's high quality plastic. They also have a little hook right there, and that helps your thumb like that so that you're more comfortable against your skin right there. And then here you have an adjustable nozzle, and a lot of the more expensive ones do have that adjustable nozzle. And that's great if you're using this for like a floor cleaner in your kitchen. You can adjust it so that it shoots down on your floor and doesn't make a mist. Or you can turn it clockwise and you can make a mist for close-up work. But by turning that counterclockwise, you can shoot more of a direct spray out of theirs. Now this is a universal size thread on here. It should fit on your bottles that you already have. And then the tube can be cut down to length. And on the bottom of the tube, it's got a really nice, high-quality little filter on there. And that's nice in case you have sediment, so that the sediment won't go into the spraying mechanism. And again, you could cut this down to whatever length of your bottle. Very nice quality, and we're going to test this out now. So here I'm going to demonstrate how I'm going to use this acid-resistant sprayer. Now, perfect timing. I have some diluted pine sol in a spray container, and this is the typical sprayer you get. This one actually has an adjustable nozzle, just like the other ones we're showing. So I went to use this about a week ago, and it doesn't matter what you do, it's extremely annoying. It stops spraying because the mechanism inside the pump breaks down, the spring breaks down. Whatever the reason is, this is really typical. And this is watered down pine sol 10:1, so it's not like it's really that acidic or damaging of a chemical. So this is what happens. So I'm going to take this out, and I'm going to replace it with the new nozzle. I'm going to approximate the height, and we're going to shorten the length of this by cutting it right there. Now we want to retain that nice little filter that's included. Now this might be a little bit too long still. Let's just, yeah, you can see that it's still too long. So I'm going to take a little bit more away. Now let's take a look at that now. That looks pretty close. That's still too long because it's hitting the bottom. Let's take a little bit more away. It's a little slippery, so it's hard to tighten that easily. And it fits on the head right there. Let's prime it. And you can see it's spraying. Now, as I was describing, if I go counterclockwise, look at that stream. That's perfect for doing your floor, which is what this is for. And then if I turn it clockwise, look at that mist. And you could actually turn so much as it's an unbelievably thin mist. This is great. This is what I bought these for, and 100% lifetime warranty, and you have a great replacement to use for your containers. So what's my opinion about the Mop Mob leak-free acid-resistant spray heads, the 4-pack? As I demonstrated, they work really nicely and they seem high quality. The low fatigue handle on them, the included filter. I think this is a great value, and with that warranty you have nothing to lose. I'm going to give this product a full 5-star rating on my channel. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you're alerted to new video uploads. And if you like this review, please hit the like button. I hope the information I presented helps you with your buying decisions. Thanks for watching.